Welcome. In this tutorial you are going to learn how to install Python, configure your system environment, and check the version. Let's start. Step 1. Download Python. First, we need to identify the stable version of Python. Head over to the official Python website and download the installer. For Windows, I recommend the 64-bit installer, which works best with most Windows systems. If you're using macOS or Linux, you can select the appropriate installer for your system. Step 2. Install Python. Once the download finishes, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Here, make sure to tick Use Administrative Privileges. Tick Add Python to Path. After that, click Install Now. Wait patiently while the installation completes. Once finished, you'll see the message Setup was successful. Python is now installed on your system. Step 3. Configure system environment, so Python works smoothly from any command prompt. Go to the folder where Python was installed. Usually, this is inside your C drive. Here, make sure hidden items are visible in the folder view. Then navigate to this location. Copy the path. Now, right-click on this PC, select Advanced System Settings, and click Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, locate Path and click Edit. Click New, and paste that path here. Next, go into the Scripts folder inside the Python installation folder, copy that path also, click New again, and paste it here as well. Click OK, then OK, and OK again to save the changes. Step 4. Verify Python installation. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and type PYL version. Press Enter, and you should see the Python version displayed. Congratulations! Your Python installation is complete, your system environment is configured, and you're ready to start using Python. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.